Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Inflation spiked in November as increases in the price of food, petrol, and CSEC examination fees pushed up consumer prices by an average 0.6% in the month. November's inflation brings the rate of price increase for the last 12 months to 4.9%. That inflation was somewhat tempered by declines in the price of electricity in November. The Scotia Group says Alaska Financial Services completed the acquisition of Credit Scotia on December 1. The completed transaction means Alaska Financial now owns 100% of Credit Scotia. But the entity will continue to operate independently. Both Alaska Financial and Scotia Group announced the deal on November 14. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $125.49. The Canadian dollar is selling for $97.02. The pound sterling is selling for $167.01, while the euro costs $148.34. The JSE index gained more than 751 points today, while the junior market index gained 27. The winners of the day included 1834 Investments, Berger Paints, Carib Cement, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Broilers, JMMB Group, Palace Amusement, Portland JSX, and Stationery and Office Supplies. On the losing end were Access Financial, Carreras, Jamaican Teas, NCB Financial, Scotia Group, and Supreme Ventures. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.